4040 Pro CNC machine for woodworking. Upgrade 3-axis engraving milling machine. CNC router machine for engraving wood acrylic meets making it Suitabte for small workshops and home garages. The 4040 Pro is a 3-axis, all-metal CNC milling machine with dual linear guides and ball screws in the Z-axis to ensure stability and accuracy while working efficiently. Features an effective working area of 15.75 x 15.75 inches x 3.54 inches, 400 by 400 by 90 millimeters, thicker x-axis to accommodate more powerful spindle applications for various machining scenarios. 4040 Pro with 52 millimeters and 65 millimeters spindle clamps can be used for upgrading 500W, 1.5 kilowatt spindle and trimmer router, and supports 40W/80W engraving module at the same time. Comes with an XY axis enclosure dust cover to effectively keep dust and debris out, while a bottom LED light provides illumination, maintaining a clean work area and enhancing efficiency for various projects. The control box is equipped with an emergency stop button and a convenient home button, tailored for beginner-friendly operation. Side opening design allows easy handling of larger materials, improving the overall user experience. Most major components are pre-assembled, and a step-by-step manual is included for easy setup in just 10 to 15 minutes. Compatible with GRBL 1.1F control board, supporting software like UGS, Candle, Lightburn, Fusion 360, making it adaptable for various CNC setups. The X-axis gantry uses a 4060 profile, significantly boosting the machine's overall quality and stability for long-term use, making it suitable for small workshops and home garages.